Hey guys, my name is Atlas Feisty, and what the hell happened to this? Hang on, let me turn on my volume. My audio's janked up in my Yahtzee game. Like this, if I jank it. And you know what? I'll sit down. If I do this. Well, this one has ads though too as well. That would sound horrifying. I never heard there is a secret in this game, but I haven't talked to any of the company managers like this, but I just found it in general, so yeah. Oh, an ad. Get out! Hang on. Sorry guys, an ad just screwed up in our way, so we have to cut that off. Especially this version has ads too as well, so you gotta be aware of it. I recorded my right hand. Look at the other side of the angle too as well. Oh, everyone's spying on me. Good gracious. I'm just getting away from this. I think that colors up for today.